Every home comes with maintenance, and with these 4 essential tools, you can maintain your home much easier. We'll show you how to use them step by step and share some tips and tricks regarding safety. All these tools can be found at Koima. A common but essential tool to have is a ladder. You can use it in a variety of situations. It can not only give you height, it can also give you a stable position when an object is hard to reach. It's important to use a ladder safely. Place the ladder on a firm, level surface and ensure that the feet are stable and secure. When climbing up and down a ladder, always maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder. You can fold the ladder shut by raising the metal bars upwards and pulling it towards you. These ladders can be stored standing up. A drill driver is primarily used for driving screws and drilling holes in various materials such as wood, metal, and stone. We recommend purchasing a drill and bit set to make full use of your drill driver. This tool has 3 operation modes: drilling mode, hammer drilling mode, and screw driving mode. Choose the mode suitable for your work by turning the mode changing ring and aligning the selector mark with the arrow on the tool body. The impact driver is best suited for tasks that require speed and precision, such as assembling furniture, hanging shelves or cabinets, and performing light construction work. It is a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of jobs, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. There is also a hammer drill, which is a power tool used for drilling into hard surfaces such as concrete, brick, or stone. It is designed to provide a combination of rotary drilling and hammering action that allows it to break through tough materials. Another tool that is essential to each household is a measuring tape. It can be useful to use a pencil to make markings. However, the metal clip is also serrated so that you can use it to scrape a marking in something like wood when you don't have a pencil handy. There are also magnetic measuring tapes, which can be useful if you often work alone. The metal tip at the end of your tape measure is slightly loose for a reason. It's meant to provide you with accurate readings, whether you're measuring the inside or outside edge of the surface. To test the quality of a tape measure, you can assess its quality by extending it and observing how long it remains taut. The longer it stays taut, the better the quality. An adjustable wrench is a versatile tool that allows you to adjust nuts and bolts of different sizes with ease. To use an adjustable wrench, adjust the jaws to fit the nut or bolt and turn the wrench in the required direction to loosen or tighten. Make sure the jaws are securely in place to avoid slipping. To maximize your grip on the wrench, use the palm of your hand to apply pressure on the handle rather than just your fingertips. This will help you get a better grip and avoid slipping. We have given you a how-to on our 4 most essential tools to upkeep your home. There are many more tools from which you can choose, and we are happy to help you choose one that best suits your needs at Koima.